Friends, whatever field you choose of study, you must become master in that. You develop expertise in that particular field and you understand 100% of that. If you do that, your future, your career will become future proof and you will never struggle to look for job or business opportunities. Today we are going to discuss about a beautiful stream called Tribology. It's a branch of science involving friction, wear and lubrication. Let's dive in.
Friends, let me start with a story. Imagine it's the year 2027. AI has taken over most of the jobs. Self-driving cars roam around the streets. Machines are assembling machines. And in the middle of this tech-driven world, there is a small group of people whose expertise is so rare and critical that companies are chasing them with job offers, offering salaries they dictate, not negotiate. These people are not coders and not data scientists. They are experts in a field you may have never even heard of. Tribology. Sounds interesting. Let's dive in. Why? You must hear this. Everyone is running behind AI, coding, digital marketing, machine learning. But let's pause for a moment. What kind of job will never be threatened by AI or automation? What kind of skill will remain in demand no matter what tech evolves? That's the question I asked myself years ago and today as a business coach and plastic industry expert with over 35 years of experience. I want to share something priceless with you, especially if you are a student, job seeker or a young entrepreneur. Watch this video till the end because this is not just a lecture. It is a career-changing opportunity you will thank me for. Now, a thought experiment. Let me ask you, what if you had a car that could keep running with a minimal fuel, or a machine that needs almost no power to function? What if airplanes, trains, factories and cars could run smoother, longer and cheaper? You would say that's the future. Well, guess what? That future exists and the science that makes it possible is called tribology. Break down the science. Keep it simple. You have all heard of Newton's first law. An object in motion stays in motion unless acted upon by an external force. And what is that force? It's friction. Friction slows things down. It creates heat, consumes energy and causes wear and tear. Tribology is the science of reducing that friction. It deals with friction, wear and lubrication. And its impact, it's huge. Why tribology is critical? Real world impact. Take electric vehicles. One of the biggest challenges in electric vehicles is energy efficiency. The more friction inside motors and moving parts, more energy is lost. Reduce that friction and the vehicle goes farther on a single charge. Take aircraft. Less friction in turbines means less fuel needed and lower carbon emissions. Take manufacturing. Lower friction equals to lower energy bills, less maintenance, longer machine life. Tribology saves money, energy and the environment. Now tell me, will this science ever go out of demand? No way. Now friends, back to the career angle. If you specialize in tribology, you are not replaceable by AI. Why? Because tribology involves hands-on innovation, material testing, lubrication design and surface analysis. These are not repeatable coding tasks. This is engineering plus physics plus metallurgy plus materials science coming together. And here is the best part. There's a massive talent shortage in this field. In India, we are advancing towards 30% EV adoption by 2030. But guess what? We don't have enough tribology professionals to support that transition. That's your opportunity. So everything has been understood so far. Now the right question. Educational path. What to study? So how do you enter into this field of tribology? Start with mechanical, metallurgical or material engineering as your bachelor's degree. Then specialize in tribology through a master's degree or research-based programs. Institutes like IIT Delhi, IIT Kanpur, IIT Madras and even global universities in Germany and the US offer specialized tribology programs. Some even offer bio-tribology used in medical implants or prosthetics or nano-tribology used at the molecular level in electronics and biotechnology. Career scope and demand. Tribologists are hired by automotive companies like Tesla Motors, Tata Motors, Mahindra, aerospace companies like ISRO, HAL or NASA, oil and lubrication giants like Shell, Castrol, HP likes, medical device firms where frictionless implants are critical, and R&D labs where material testing is poor. What's the salary like? Just to give you an idea, freshers may expect to start at rupees 8 lakhs to rupees 12 lakhs per annum. With experience, sky is the limit. Why this field is future-proof? Tribology is not a trend. It's a foundation of mechanical design. It cannot be outsourced to chatbots. It can't be learned in 6 weeks by some online coding course. It requires deep understanding and practice, which is exactly why the demand is so high. And with the focus on sustainability, green tech, EVs and aerospace, the demand is only going to rise. So friends, if you want to a career where your job is not at risk, your skills are rare and valuable, you contribute to innovation and sustainability, and you earn well while staying future-proof, then explore tribology. Don't just follow the crowd, get ahead of it. If you have liked this video, subscribe, share it with a student or parent who's looking for a real career advice, and comment below if you would like a separate video on colleges, job opportunities or interview tips for tribology roles. Hi, this is Amit, career coach, business mentor and a plastic industry expert. Signing off, I will see you in the next video with another powerful insight into careers of the future. Until then, Namaskar.